Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2011 to 2018 Chevy GMC 25 or 3500 pickup truck. We're installing a 7.5-inch rough country lift kit, some 20 by 12 Ballistic 959 wheels, and some 37 1350 R20 Fury mud terrain tires. Rough Country has done a great job of providing you with some instructions that walk you through step by step on how to install a lift kit. However, Rough Country has fallen short in a couple different areas. The first one is how important it is to have a torsion bar key removal tool. You can buy this at Rough Country or at any automotive store, but we highly recommend you having this. The second thing that Rough Country has done a poor job of doing is showing you how to properly remove your torsion bars and how to take the tension out of the torsion bars and how to use the torsion bar key removal tool to safely install the lift kit. The third thing that Rough Country has done a poor job of doing is showing you how to mark your torsion bars relative to your torsion bar keys. We recommend taking a Sharpie or a grease pen and at the back of the torsion bars and the torsion bar keys making an X or a cross so that you know where to put your torsion bars and your torsion bar keys when you go back to install it. And the fourth thing that Rough Country's done a poor job of emphasizing is knowing how far out your torsion bar adjustment bolt is. We recommend taking a tape measure and simply measuring from the mount to the bottom of the bolt so that when you go back to install your torsion bars, you know exactly where to set them. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment or email us or call us with any questions. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thanks for watching.